4Play wheels are designed to take your truck to the next level. With our team of highly skilled designers and engineers, 4Play wheels have set the bar for cutting-edge wheel design and state-of-the-art technology for the educated consumer who likes to get dirty and have fun doing it. With over 20 years in the business and well over a century of combined experience, 4Play Wheels has positioned itself as one of the largest independent wheel distributors in North America. A 108,000 square foot facility houses an inventory base of over 75,000 debt-free wheels with new shipments arriving daily. Our patented wheel styles include the deepest concave profile wheels ever made and an array of styles and filaments. With ready-to-ship wheel options in both flow-form cast and fully forged configurations, our on-site facilities are fully equipped for large-scale distribution within the U.S. and internationally, with reliable on-time delivery and unmatched customer support for all products.